It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Powerful and impactful, this Fusion delivers a commanding performance. Features include streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and smartphone wireless charging. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.